What's up everyone, welcome to Recipe Magic. Today we are making mint chocolate brownies. These classic mint chocolate brownies are thick and fudgy brownies layered with a sweet mint frosting and an easy chocolate ganache on top. The perfect combination and just in time for St. Patrick's Day. So without further ado, let's get the recipe started right away. First of all, for the dry ingredients, combine some all-purpose flour and unsweetened cocoa powder. For the wet ingredients, add some eggs, granulated sugar and melted unsalted butter. Combine all of this together until you have a thick and lump-free brownie batter ready. And once your batter looks just like this, transfer it to a 9x9 inch greased in line baking dish and bake this at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Remember to bake the brownies perfectly so that you have a perfect baked brownies ready, because once you have the perfect brownie ready, then only you can add the mint frosting layer on top. Meanwhile, while this is baking, let's make the mint frosting. For that, combine some confectioner sugar, some cream cheese, milk, mint extract and also green food color, and also combine all of this together until you have the perfect green frosting ready. This is sweet green mint frosting which looks just perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Just add this over your baked and cooled brownies and even it out using the back of your spoon or an offset spatula. And once you've done that, freeze this until it gets set. It typically sets in an hour or so, and then just top with some melted dark chocolate or chocolate ganache on top, and there you go. This will be ready in no time. The chocolate layer sets on top very easily. Just freeze for a few hours and these will be ready. These classic mint chocolate brownies are just perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Everyone loves it, I love it, and it's just so festive and super delicious. So bring in all the lucky charm in your home by making these mint chocolate brownies for St. Patrick's Day. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and clicked the like button yet, do that right now so that you never miss an update whenever I post a new recipe. Also, you can find the full recipe and all the descriptions by clicking on the description box below. I'll also link to the website where you can get the printable recipe and you can double the triple recipe as per your choice. So this is how you make easy mint chocolate brownies. I hope you enjoyed and had a great time learning how to make this recipe. Let me know which is your favorite St. Patrick's Day dessert so that I can make them for you. Also hit the like and subscribe button so that you never miss an update whenever I post one. Also have a great St. Patrick's Day everyone and have a great day.